like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
Hey beauty babes, what is up guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I did this very cute pink, purple, and blue pastel-y Easter halo eyeshadow tutorial and I think it's really cute. I want to do something really extreme because I just got the James Charles Morphe palette and those colors are like fine. So when I saw it I knew I had to do this look, especially because Easter's around the corner and I feel like when I think of Easter I think of like very springy, like very pastel-y colors. So that's why I did this look. And I think it's really cute. And I like it paired with this new lip. So if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, beauty babes, so the first thing I'm doing is taking out my Airspun loose face powder and just applying it all over my face. So the next thing I'm doing is pulling out my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit. Okay guys, and now I'm pulling back out my Airspun loose face powder and then I'm also pulling out a beauty blender. So now we are moving on to our eyeshadow. So I'm going to be pulling out the James Charles Morphe palette. So the first color I'm going to be dipping into is the color Skip, and I am just going to be putting that all over my crease. And now that we have that done, I'm going to be moving on to my eyelids, and I'm just going to be using that same color and putting it in the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. And now I am taking the color Single and I am just going to be putting it in the center of my eye. And now I am pulling out my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer and I'm just going to be putting a little bit in the center of my eyelid. And now I'm going to be taking the color Hello and just putting it on top of that concealer that we just applied. And now I'm just taking out my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Perlina and I'm just going to be putting a little bit on top of the blue eyeshadow that we just applied. Okay, so now that we finished our eyes, I'm going to be moving on to under eyes and I'm taking out my L'Oreal Paris Never Fail eyeliner and this is in the color Blank White and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. Next, I'm going to be taking back out the color Single and just putting that all the way underneath my eye. Okay guys, and now we are taking out our NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm going to be doing a wing. I'm going to be taking the color Hello again and putting it in the inner corner of my eye. Finally, I'm going back into the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Perlina and just putting that in the inner corner. Okay guys, and I'm just going to be taking the color Ring Light and putting it on my brow bone. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye, and then we will get on with everything else. Okay, so I finished my other eye, and I also put on my lashes. Now we are moving on to highlighter, and I am pulling out my Winky Lux Strobing Balm Highlighter, and this is in the color Lit. And now I'm pulling back out my Maybelline New York Master Contour Kit, and I'm going to be using the blush. And now we're moving on to our lashes, so I'm pulling out my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara and a eyelash curler, and I'm just going to be curling my lashes and putting mascara on. Okay guys, and finally we are on to our lipstick, which I'm pulling out my Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquidfied Lipstick in the color Faking It. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or song requests or review requests or anything like that. Let me know down below in the comment section. I will try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be all right here, and then it'll also be linked down below, so you should definitely check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is the subscribe button down below. Oh, happy Easter. I forgot to mention that. Have a nice Easter, everyone, because it's Easter, and if you don't celebrate Easter, then just like have a really good Sunday. Yeah, do that. But remember, I post videos every single Friday. Okay, bye bye, beauty babes, love you.